Welcome to my channel MyTech Notes. Today this video is on AI basics, means artificial intelligence basics. This video is for beginners who don't know much about technologies, technical terms and who are very new to IT field. If you are a college student, non-IT working professional or a beginner in IT field, then this video is for you. As I will not be using technical terms to explain about artificial intelligence. After completing this video, we will be able to explain artificial intelligence to yourself and to anyone as well. So let's dive into this video without any delay. AI or artificial intelligence is a buzzword these days. According to everyone, it will have an impact on our future in every sector. From sci-fi movies to smartphones, from refrigerators to air conditioners, smartwatches, kitchen, offices, AI is everywhere these days. But how is it transforming everything? And what is it really? Why should everyone care about it? Let's see in this video. So, let's start with the basics. What is artificial intelligence? The ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence or where machines behave just like human beings. Think of it as a highly skilled digital assistant who behaves just like a human assistant that can understand your language, respond to your queries, learn new things over the period of time. It is designed to perform complex tasks, make decisions, and take action. Think of artificial intelligence just like a teacher and a student relation, where a teacher trains the student with rules, discipline them, give in-depth knowledge of each subject. Eventually, students start understanding those topics, start responding to all the questions about those topics, and slowly they also start resolving problems by themselves. Similarly, in AI, humans are training machines for problem solving, understanding language, recognizing patterns, making predictions, and much more. That makes machines capable of mimicking human like intelligence. You must be hearing that AI is everywhere these days, like in your electric appliances, in phones, watches, in your vehicles, hospitals, schools, colleges, offices. It's everywhere around us. It has become a part of our lives without us even realizing it. Like in your smartphones, it is in your smartphone as voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, Alexa. You can ask any question from these apps and get a genuine response in no time. You can protect your phones with facial recognition and fingerprint scanning that totally relies on AI algorithms to identify you. When you use a navigation app, AI analyzes real-time traffic data, road closures, and even historical traffic patterns to give you the fastest route in an estimated arrival time. It's constantly learning and adapting itself. AI is revolutionizing healthcare sector also, where it is helping doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and more accurately. It is also helping banking sector in detecting fraudulent transactions and unusual spending patterns. So what is the role of machine learning in AI and how is it helping in artificial intelligence? Why should we know about machine learning before learning about artificial intelligence? As shown in this picture, machine learning is a crucial subset of artificial intelligence. It's a powerful engine that within that umbrella. Its main task is to analyze a vast amount of data, identify a pattern in the data, and train the machine to understand and respond based on those patterns. Instead of us writing rigid rules for every possible input, we feed machine learning algorithms vast amount of data. The algorithms then learn patterns and relationships from the data, allowing them to make predictions or decisions. Or there are three ways by which machines can learn: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Here is an example of supervised learning. Imagine a student with a private tutor. The tutor gives the student questions and their correct answers, and the student learn by comparing their answers to the correct ones. So here we provide algorithm with the labeled data that has both input and corrected outputs. The algorithm learns the mapping between them. Image classification, spam detection are one of some of the examples of supervised learning. Imagine a student left in a lecture with no instructions. He started organizing the books based on similarities he discovered, such as some books can have similar cover, some books can have similar theme or similar author. So that's what unsupervised learning is, where we give algorithm unlabeled data and it finds hidden patterns, structures, or groupings within the data on its own. So that's unsupervised learning. This is one of the example of reinforcement learning, where machines learn through trial and error or by reward and penalties. Think of a kid with a set of different sized blocks. He wanted to create a building with these blocks. Initially, he put small sized blocks in bottom and big blocks above them. It falls. After multiple attempts, he arranged big blocks in the bottom and small blocks on top of them, and he succeeded. So this small kid learned from his failures and multiple trials. So that's what reinforcement. So that's what reinforcement learning is. Some of the examples of reinforcement learning is self-driving cars, robotics. Now let's talk about different types of AI. There are three types of AI as of now: narrow AI, general AI, super intelligent. Narrow AI is one of the weak AI. This is what we have today. AI designed and trained for a specific task. Here you can take an example of a calculator. It's brilliant in maths, but it cannot write novels or drive a car. So that's what narrow AI is, where it, a model is trained and designed for a specific task. It cannot do any other task. Okay. Next is general AI. This is the hypothetical AI that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence to any intellectual task that a human being can. So it is just like a human brain that is capable of learning anything. It is still largely in the realm of science fiction. Super intelligent AI. It's an AI. It is an AI that surpasses human intelligence across virtually all fields, even more hypothetical. And now, for the stars of the show that have truly captured the world's attention in the last couple of years: generative AI and large language models. Gen AI is a type of AI that can create new, original content, not just analyze or predict it. It generates something that doesn't exist before. Generative AI is a rapidly growing and incredible powerful subset of AI. It can do text generation, image creation, music composition are some of the examples of generative AI. Next is large language models. These are the LLMs are a specific type of Gen AI that specializes in understanding and generating human-like text. They are trained on colossal amount of data. LLMs are a subset of generative AI, which in turn is a subset of AI. They are currently at the forefront of AI innovation. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude are some of the examples of LLM models. So there you have it. From understanding what AI is, why it's so important for us, where it's already impacting us, importance of machine learning in AI, and the exciting frontier of generative AI and LLMs, you are now much more equipped to navigate this intelligent new world of artificial intelligence. So after getting so much basic knowledge of AI, now you're ready to go ahead and pick up next topic. That's prompt engineering or generative AI, whatever you want to learn further. So AI is more than just tech. It's a huge change in how we do things. It helps people do more and solve problems we never could before. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to understand artificial intelligence, and hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into the future of tech. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video for prompt engineering.